Hi there, RV enthusiasts. Jordy Hernandez from RV Tour Guide here, and today's video is an absolute blockbuster. We're shaking things up a bit by starting with a major announcement for our friends in the Houston area at the RV show, followed by the last run of the 2024 diesel motorhomes from Tiffin Motorhomes, and wrapping it up with an exciting sneak peek into the highly anticipated 2025 lineup. So fasten your seatbelts because this one ride you don't want to miss. First up on the agenda, the Houston RV show from February 7th to the 10th. We are thrilled to share that we'll be bringing not one, not two, but four extraordinary 2024 luxury Class A diesels by Tiffin Motorhomes for you to explore and experience firsthand. Get ready to be wowed by the highly anticipated Tiffin Byway, bringing affordable diesel luxury to a new level. This new 340 horsepower diesel makes its debut as Tiffin's most affordable diesel motorhome. We'll also be bringing the luxurious Tiffin Phaeton, a 40 IH standard with a Cummins L9 450 horsepower engine, now comes standard and now built on a raised rail chassis, eliminating the step up to the bathroom. Also, the sophisticated Tiffin Allegro Bus 40 IP and the showstopper of the show are only Tag Axel Allegro Bus, the 45 OPP. The 2024 Tiffin Allegro Bus is more than just a coach. It's a testament to luxury, innovation, and capability. Built on the Powerglide chassis, ensuring the smooth and stable ride, and top safety features add a layer of protection for every mile you travel. Also new for 2024, the Bob Tiffin limited edition 45 BTP, only limited to 82 coaches. Enjoy this short clip from the man himself, Bob Tiffin.
Well, if they buy a Tiffin, they're going to travel. And that's, you can travel this great country from coast to coast and from from Canada all the way down to Mexico. And it's just a great country to travel in. A lot of people go to Europe and like to travel over there. But man, I say, well, you can live a lifetime and you can't never see all this country. And the best way to see this country is in a motorhome. You can do a lifetime running around this country if you want to.
These motorhomes aren't just vehicles, they're a class apart, ready to redefine your RV experience. Now let's talk about something that's making waves in the RV community. The last run of 2024 diesel motorhomes from Tiffin. As we bid farewell to 2024 models, Tiffin Motorhomes are now taking orders for 2025 year model Class A and Super Cs. These models are set to start shipping around April/May if ordered as of now in January. The retail price list and order forms for the Class A and Super C diesel models are already available. This is your chance to secure a spot and be among the first to experience the latest and greatest from Tiffin Motorhomes. For those who can't wait to explore these beauties at the Houston RV show, or for those looking to secure their piece of Tiffin history, head over to the Montron RV or reach out to me, Jordy Hernandez, at 281-716-0338 directly. My contact details are also on the screen, and I'm here to guide you through the process and answer any questions you may have. Before we wrap up the show, your support, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to RV Tour Guide for more exclusive content, and drop a comment below. Let me know which Tiffin model caught your eye or if you'll be joining us at the Houston RV show. Your engagement means the world to us. That's it for today's video, my RV family. As always, happy travels, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay adventurous, stay safe, and I'll see you at the Houston RV show.